Pound dollar daily forecast January 3rd, FXEmpire.com. The cable pair initially had a very strong showing during Wednesday, as you can see, when word got out that the Congress had come to terms with some type of agreement for the fiscal cliff. The market shot straight up. Interestingly enough, though, by the time the Asians closed the markets, we had seen the highs, and you can see we pulled back significantly and formed a nasty, absolutely nasty looking shooting star. This is a classic shooting star reversal signal if we've ever seen one, and the fact that the 1.63 level was so resistive certainly will have caught most traders' attention who follow candlestick patterns. So the question then becomes, what next? Now, alter beyond the obvious bearish signal, we could break the top of the shooting star, and that would be an extraordinarily strong signal to start buying. However, breaking below the lows of the shooting star is the more common signal and could see us challenging the 161 handle and maybe a little bit lower than that. We think this is going to be more or less a sideways move going forward. The market's been so bullish lately that perhaps it was just a little bit overextended. If we do manage to get below 160, 158 below should be rather massively supportive. And quite frankly, if we're looking for a short of a risk-off trade, there are other pairs that are going to be a little easier to short than this one. So essentially, we're looking for either a fall in some type of supportive candle somewhere closer to 161 or a break of the top of the shooting star, which we think eventually will happen, and we will motor on to 1.70 sometime, although we don't know when, sometime during the year coming up.